The H6000 series 3-point mounted disc mowers are available with 5, 6, or 7 discs ranging from 6 foot 8 inches to 9 foot 2 inches in cutting width. Each of the 3 models in the series features New Holland's patented Momax True Modular Cutter Bar and Shock Pro Hub driveline protection, which minimize repair costs and downtime. The H6730 features 5 oval discs and a cutting width of 6 foot 8 inches. The H6740 features 6 oval discs and a cutting width of 7 foot 10 inches. The H6750 features 7 oval discs and a cutting width of 9 foot 2 inches. In addition to the 3 mounted heavy-duty disc mowers, the H6830 is a pull-type disc mower with 8 oval discs and a cutting width of 10 foot 4 inches.